Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikhil Kumar and today we are going to walk through how to install Ansible on Linux systems. Let's understand what Ansible is. Ansible is an open source automation tool that allows users to automate the configuration management, provisioning, and deployment of infrastructure resources. It operates on a push model where the tasks and playbooks are executed on remote server via SSH or other protocols. Here is the list of key features of Ansible. Agentless. One of Ansible's standout feature is agentless nature. Unlike some other tools, Ansible does not require agent or additional software on the target host. Idempotent. Another crucial feature of Ansible is idempotency. This means that Ansible tasks can be run multiple times without causing unintended side effects, ensuring consistent and predictable results. Playbooks. Playbooks are the heart of Ansible. They allow you to define and automate tasks in a specified order, providing a powerful way to automate complex operations. Modules. Ansible offers a wide range of built-in modules offered for common tasks like package management, file operation, and service control. Before we dive into the installations, here's what you will need: a RHEL or Ubuntu OS, a basic familiarity with the command line, a Python installed on your system since Ansible runs on the Python. Now let's switch over to the virtual machine to see how to install Ansible on Linux server. So here I already have a AC2 instance with a RHEL OS. So I have already installed a Linux OS that is RHEL 9.4 and I need to install Python first in this particular machine as Ansible runs on Python because Ansible is written in the Python itself. So it requires a Python to be installed as a prerequisites. So we are installing a Python and in this particular demo, I am going to show you how to install Ansible with the Python packages. If some of the user is not having yum configure or some kind of APT or some repository is not configured, so they can use this particular method to install Ansible on their system without any kind of dependency on the repository. So I've installed the Python 3 hyphen version to verify Python got installed properly. So now let's install the pip package. So we are going to install Ansible using the pip packages. So pip 3 hyphen version. So pip got installed successfully. Now let's install the Ansible. Pip 3 install Ansible. So it's installing the Ansible version 8.7.0. So it will take around some minutes. So it will install the Ansible and there's a catch. So it's placing all those utility of Ansible under the user local bin, which is not default path. So we need to set the path after installing the Ansible. Otherwise, we won't be able to use this utility directly with any of the directory. So we need to place those things into the user bin directory. Otherwise, we need to add these packages into the user bin, or we need to add this particular user local bin directory path into the environment variable of the path. So we are going to add this particular path into the environment variable of path so that we can use Ansible utilities from any of the directory. Great, Ansible is now installed. Let's make sure everything is set up correctly. So Ansible hyphen version. Yeah, as as I told you earlier, like all the packages of Ansible is being placed under the user local bin. So it is not under the default path. So if we run the echo $path, the user local bin path is not there. Now we need to add this particular user local bin path under this particular path environment variable. So to do that, we have a command called export path uppercase equal to $path colon and the user local bin. So now we have this path added into the $path. And now we can also use the Ansible commands. So we can see Ansible got installed successfully with Ansible core version 2.15.12. And we can also see that Python version also been used is 3.9.18. And that's it. We have successfully installed Ansible. In my upcoming videos, I will show you how to use Ansible for more advanced automation tasks. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss out any new uploads. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.